After watching this video, you will learn on how to create cool text in quick and easy way. Don't skip. I'll show you how.
You're watching Mang Jose Online TV. Here's your host, June Agan.
Hi, I'm June Agan. Welcome to Mang Jose Online TV. If you're new in my channel, please support me by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my new video. I'm going to show you on how to create cool text in easy way. First, open your internet browser, then type cooltext.com. Then, choose a text style. This time, I'm going to select tribal style. Click Create Logo. Click Download. Then click Save. Next, in your internet browser, type flamingtext.com. I'm going to create a transparent background. Follow my cursor. Click Next. Click Download. Then click Save. Last, but not the least. Again, in your internet browser type maketext.io. Choose text type. Keep watching. Download as PNG. Click Download. Then click Save. Then click Close. That's all, simple and easy. Let's try to arrange, and see the final outcome. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and click the bell button so you will be notified for my next video. Bye for now, Godspeed.
Thank you for watching Mang Jose Online TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you on next episode.